Okay, I received this in the mail last night and I had to unbox it on camera. So this is from Uncloned Marketing. It's the launch system. As a business owner and entrepreneur, we have all the creative ideas, but we never know how to market it to get it out to the people that need it. So I just want to unbox this on camera. Let's see, we have the roadmap for Uncloned experience. So we have a declaration that we're going to sign. So we have the launch system. This is a $2,000 product that most likely can make you triple and quadruple that. I attended the Future of Launching and it was amazing training. It was a 3-day course. So we have the Uncloned tissue paper. For those that don't know who the founder behind Uncloned is, it's Audrey Richmond. You have to look her up. I'm going to attach a couple videos in the description in the bottom. Okay, we have stickers. Everyone loves stickers. No matter how old we get, we love stickers. Get money, absolutely. Think Uncloned. It's winning season. We have a clip. We have some sticky notes. And I like that the box says challenge the norms. That's what Uncloned means. All right, let's see. This is the course I want to absolutely take. So in the future, I'll be taking Publishing Like a Pro and the marketing that goes along with it. Completely worth it. Okay, join the mobile club, Uncloned brand ambassador program. Uncloned marketing. Okay, we have the planner. Marketing planner. Launch goals. I'm telling you, if you have an idea, definitely click on the link below. This is what people are waiting for. We have more stickers. Yes, I'm extra. Do it big. Maybe don't do it at all, but no, definitely do it big. Don't let people tell you you can't do things or you should do it a certain way. They're not you. Okay, let's see. This packaging, the branding. Well, you know what? I'm going to attach a video. Audrey talks about branding in the video. Branding is a word that needs to be done away with. But when you see this, like, you see her. But I cannot wait to go through this. This is how to launch. The systems is all in here. Everything in her head. Not everything. This is only one of her systems. It's right in here in the planner. In the systems. So we have launch offers, launch styles. She went over that in the training. Let's see, content plan. I'm so excited about this. You're gonna see things changing on all my social media and YouTube. Website pages, asset planning, copy, graphics, photography. You know, I'm gonna attach another video that talks about this planner. I'm sorry, this kit in detail. So if you want to know more, you're going to click on the link and you will be brought to this page. Let's see if I can find it. You're going to be brought to this page. Make sure you can see it. Uncloned Launch Circle. It starts today for us. But you'll want to join this. And then you'll want to see the training. You'll want to get the information on her. She gives so much away online. Like, I'm happy to support her because she's supporting us with next level business. I'm not big on level up businesses, but this one is completely different. The proof is in the pudding. Okay, so I'll have the links below. Bye.